So this is just the market summary for Tuesday the 14th of February. Now let's just look what happened with the market. So we're still having the same problems, over trading, FOMO trading and revenge trading by trying to implement or auxiliary strategy. So the auxiliary strategy is going to have to change. We're going to have to use a higher time frame and enforce stricter discipline. And if this reoccurs again, we will just get rid of the auxiliary strategy altogether. So let's just have a look at some of the trades we've made. So made this first trade. It was a counter trend long. This candle was at the time was around 34 points, so I thought price would go back up. Prices continued to sell off, came back up. What I did was I quickly trailed my stop to around just above break even. Prices came down and took me out. This trade here. What is this trade here? This trade, we're looking for prices came closed above the 50% weekly level. When the candle closed bearish, I exited the trade for a minus 2.25 point loss. It was a long trade. If I would have kept hold of it, it would have hit my targets to the upside. And let's just see. This trade, after seeing price interact with the previous day's high, posted this bearish candle showing rejection around the previous day's high and our 60-minute opening range. Went short. Very quickly prices came back within about 5 minutes. I trailed my stop to break even and the stop was taken out very quickly. That was very frustrating. Finally, let's see, so that was taken out. We then took an auxiliary trade here. That actually worked out, hit target at 4.25 points. I was looking for the bigger move, but it did hit target. After that, took a series of FOMO trades, as we can see here, just above break even, had a loss, and that was primarily due to trying to trade a breakout, and prices came back in, and our final loss was again trying to trade a breakout to the upside, and prices turned around when market imbalances came in, and I closed for a loss around that 47.75 from an entry of 54.50. So we did try to take a couple of breakout trades, which are not part of my strategy, so they are a bit of FOMO and revenge, and I paid dearly for it. And I think altogether, we took 8 trades, which is again not good. Auxiliary strategies causing the as mentioned in the previous video, causing bad habits to creep back in. So we're going to focus on the main strategy, and we're going to give the auxiliary strategy one more trading day. Well, tomorrow, because of the commitments, I won't be able to give it a full day. So for the rest of this week, we'll continue to use the auxiliary strategy, and if we continue to have these problems next week, week 8, we're pretty much going to have to get rid of it altogether until we can actually iron out the issues that we are having. And finally, we'll look at the account. On the account, as you can see, we've had a bit of a drawdown over the past couple of days. There's our last trade, which was 6.75 point loss, break even. We lost 2.75 points, just to half a point, 4.25 points, half a point. This trade was minus 2.25 points, and finally the last trade here was that quarter of a point, the very first trade of the day. And just for transparency, we'll go back to yesterday, show the account has been reset, and once we show yesterday, and that's last Friday. So those were pretty much the trades made. Going through a period of drawdown at the moment, trying to implement the auxiliary strategy. It's causing FOMO and revenge, and this I have to look at that going on later this week. And with that said, thanks for watching.